هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو.
He is Allah, who there is no other one worthy of worship except Him, who is Ar-Rahmanu, the All-Compassionate, Ar-Rahimu, the All-Merciful, Al-Maliku, the Absolute Ruler, Al-Quddusu, the Pure One, As-Salamu, the Source of Peace, Al-Mu'minu, the Inspirer of Faith, Al-Muhaiminu, the Guardian, Al-Azizu, the Victorious, Al-Jabbaru, the Compeller, Al-Mutakabbiru, the Greatest, Al-Khaliqu, the Creator, Al-Bari'u, the Maker of Order, Al-Musawwiru, the Shaper of Beauty, Al-Ghaffaru, the Forgiving, Al-Qahharu, the Subduer, Al-Wahhabu, the Giver of all, Ar-Razzaqu, the Sustainer, Al-Fattahu, the Opener, Al-Alimu, the Knower of all, Al-Qabidu, the Constrictor, Al-Basitu, the Reliever, Al-Khafidu, the Abaser, Al-Rafiu, the Exalter, Al-Mu'izzu, the Bestower of honors, Al-Muzillu, the Humiliator, As-Sami'u, the Hearer of all, Al-Basiru, the Seer of all, Al-Hakamu, the Judge, Al-Adlu, the Just, Al-Latifu, the Subtle One, Al-Khabiru, the All-Aware, Al-Halimu, the Forbearing, Al-Azimu, the Magnificent, Al-Ghafuru, the Forgiver and Hider of faults, Ash-Shakuru, the Rewarder of thankfulness, Al-Aliyu, the Highest, Al-Kabiru, the Greatest, Al-Hafizu, the Preserver, Al-Muqitu, the Nourisher, Al-Hasibu, the Accounter, Al-Jalilu, the Mighty, Al-Karimu, the Generous, Al-Raqibu, the Watchful One, Al-Mujibu, the Responder to prayer, Al-Wasiu, the All-Comprehending, Al-Hakimu, the Perfectly Wise, Al-Wadudu, the Loving One, Al-Majidu, the Majestic One, Al-Ba'ithu, the Resurrector, Al-Shahidu, the Witness, Al-Haqqu, the Truth, Al-Wakilu, the Trustee, Al-Qawiyu, the Possessor of all strength, Al-Matinu, the Forceful One, Al-Waliyu, the Governor, Al-Hamidu, the Praised One, Al-Muhsi, the Appraiser, Al-Mubdiyu, the Originator, Al-Mu'idu, the Restorer, Al-Muhyi, the Giver of life, Al-Mumitu, the Taker of life, Al-Hayyu, the Ever-Living One, Al-Qayyumu, the Self-Existing One, Al-Wajidu, the Finder, Al-Majidu, the Glorious, Al-Wahidu, the One, the All-Inclusive, the Indivisible, Al-Ahadu, the One and Only, As-Samadu, the Satisfier of all needs, Al-Qadiru, the all-powerful. Al-Muqtadiru, the creator of all power. Al-Muqaddimu, the expediter. Al-Muakhiru, the delayer. Al-Awwalu, the first. Al-Akhiru, the last. Al-Zahiru, the manifest one. Al-Batinu, the hidden one. Al-Waliyu, the protecting friend. Al-Muta'ali, the supreme one. Al-Barru, the doer of good. At-Tawwabu, the guide to repentance. Al-Muntaqimu, the avenger. Al-Afuwu, the forgiver. Al-Ra'ufu, the clement. Malikul Mulki, the owner of all. Dhul Jalali wal Ikram, the Lord of majesty and bounty. Al-Muqsitu, the equitable one. Al-Jami'u, the gatherer. Al-Ghaniyu, the rich one. Al-Mughniyu, the enricher. Al-Maniyu, the preventer of harm. Ad-Darru, the creator of the harmful. An-Nafiyu, the creator of good. An-Nuru, the light. Al-Hadi, the guide. Al-Badiyu, the originator. Al-Baqi, the everlasting one. Al-Warithu, the inheritor of all. Ar-Rashidu, the righteous teacher. As-Saburu, the patient one.